Dual hybrid production. Today, I am excited to introduce Datavideo's new production process. We'll show you how the SHOWCAST 100 and the new auto-tracking camera can enhance your production performance. We introduced the SHOWCAST 100 in 2023. You can control the auto-tracking camera directly from the SHOWCAST 100 with a new firmware update. I'll demonstrate how to leverage this auto-tracking technology effectively. First, we'll activate auto-tracking for each camera: Camera 1, Camera 2, and Camera 3. Once each camera is tracking, the subject can move around freely. For example, if you walk towards Camera 1, it will follow you. Move to the other side, and Camera 3 will take over. Returning to the center allows for seamless frame transitions since all cameras remain on track. This is the crucial advantage of using multiple auto-tracking cameras. This setup also enables varied framing. For a close-up, we can zoom in smoothly. The center camera provides a mid-range, waist-up shot, while another camera can capture a wide shot, showing the entire body. Icons on the SHOWCAST 100 screen indicate all these modes. Next, let's talk about tracking multiple subjects. Imagine you have two lecturers at the podium. Activate the camera tracking function and select the male lecturer to be tracked. The camera will follow him closely as he moves, while the female lecturer can move without interference. You can also track the female lecturer. Camera 3, for instance, can be set to follow her. This allows both lecturers to move independently while each camera maintains focus. If we want to switch to a half-body shot of either lecturer, it's simple. Adjust the frame to show both lecturers in a half-body composition. Using a split frame, you can keep both centered, creating an interactive effect. Without auto-tracking, you'd need multiple camera controllers to achieve this level of precision. For instance, if you want the speaker to appear on the left or right side of the screen, press a button. Imagine the speaker pointing out something on a whiteboard chart. Pressing a button automatically shifts the screen position, keeping the speaker visible and the content clear. The camera adjusts as the speaker moves. Now, let's explore other applications. As the speaker walks towards Camera 3, another camera can zoom in on the chart. Using picture-in-picture, you can keep the speaker visible while focusing on the chart. This setup makes it easier to present information without squeezing into the frame. Adding captions is straightforward, too. The auto-tracking function frees the operator to handle other tasks without struggling with joystick controls, making the SHOWCAST 100 a versatile solution. Hybrid production, a new concept in video production. Hybrid production is an innovative video production concept tailored for today's all-media era. The dual hybrid production enhances traditional workflows with an intelligent video guide production process, boosting quality and efficiency.